Hi guys, I just got home from an intense workout at the gym, did legs, just chugged my protein shake, and I am going to cook something real quick and healthy. Nothing says healthy more than you preparing your own meals. I know it's a little time consuming, but there's a lot of things that you can do that's quick and easy. For instance, got my walkout. I am going to make some egg fried rice, super easy, with some cubed chicken breasts. I'm going to put ham in here in a minute, and then on the side, instead of eating fried chicken, I'm going to make it with grilled chicken that I had last night from my grilling. You can make it easy. All right, so if you want to learn how to eat good and healthy and get that protein in so you could get these gains at the gym, which is what I want. I am trying to build my physique twice as much. I did some arms today. You could see I'm still pumped up. So just like and follow me, and yeah, I'll help you guys out with nutrition and exercise. Bye.